Hello everyone, this is the knitting studio in style. Today, we will learn how to knit a magic ring. This is the foundation of amigurumi toy knitting. It is also the start of knitting in the round. We take the yarn. We position it in the palm of our left hand so that the end of the yarn is at the bottom. Then, we wrap the yarn from the ball around our index finger in such a way that a cross is formed. The yarn is coming towards the ball. This part, we hold with our pinky. Like this. Next, we insert the hook under our cross on the index finger. We grab the working yarn from the ball and pull it through. A loop is formed. Again, we grab the yarn that goes to the ball and pull it through the loop. Now we have made our first slip knot. We take out the index finger. Now, we have formed a ring. After that, we will crochet single crochets into the ring. Usually, 6 single crochets are crocheted to start the round, meaning we will hide this tail. We insert the hook into the ring. We grab the working yarn. We pull it through and we make a single crochet. This is our first single crochet. Next, we will crochet 5 more single crochets in this way. That is, we insert the hook into the ring. We pull the yarn and make a regular single crochet. Here, I have crocheted 6 single crochets. As we do this, we take and pull on this tail. We tighten the ring. It turns out it is tightening. We tightened it and make a slip stitch in our first stitch. We made a slip stitch. This is how we knit the amigurumi ring and the first round. To move to the next row, we simply make 1 chain stitch to rise and begin crocheting rounds into the stitches. Alternatively, you can skip the rise stitch altogether. It depends on personal preference. I favor this method of starting to crochet in rounds because here, by pulling on the tail of our first row, we almost do not get a visible hole. If you just make chain stitches and join them into a ring, there is often a visible hole. This is not always convenient when crocheting various items. That's all for now. If you found the lesson helpful, please like it. Subscribe, and we will see you in the next video lessons. Bye bye.